Hi, I'm here with my mommy. We're gonna make arroz con gandule, Puerto Rican, because you guys asked for mom and I to make Puerto Rican food. And this is actually one of those things that I don't really know how to make, so mommy is gonna show me how to make it. So let's get into it. So we got ham steak. We got, why are you not talking?
Cilantro. Oh my god. I just love cilantro. I'm so Puerto Rican. And I don't want it in sofrito. No, I want it cut up.
She literally likes like big pieces of cilantro. She's crazy about cilantro.
I'm gonna cut them up a little for you guys. You know, because
Yeah.
I could just eat it.
What a psycho.
I love cilantro. And then, look, jamón en polvo, sazon, and cubitos de pollo en polvo too. I'm gonna add that to the rice.
Okay.
And of course,
And we got bell peppers and cilantro here. And then we got the actual, we got the green pigeon beans because these are gandules verdes. Oh, I thought you used.
And we got the pot.
the stereotypical. This feels so Puerto Rican.
Yes, all of it. Yes.
This could be the thumbnail, just us
But
like.
so delicious.
I don't want to hear nothing about the brand we're using or nothing.
No,
this
no,
is
we're
my
not
mother's
trying to be
style.
healthy. We're not trying to be healthy
I
today.
don't want to hear
we
it.
just want authentic Puerto Rican taste. That's it.
We're doing New Yorican, Puerto Rican food. Cállate la boca. We don't need to hear your opinions unless they're nice. Thank you so much. Okay, okay, so we're gonna start with this, and then we're gonna do oil first, right? Is that what you do?
Yes. Put a little
Oh,
oil.
see, I know something.
We're gonna put a little oil. We're gonna cut this ham in little pieces. Throw it in there with the peppers, cilantro, olives.
Okay, so let's get. I have
Let's do
olives.
that.
I have olives.
So I have to cut this first.
I got my olives. I've been into olives lately. When I was growing up, mom put olives in everything.
I
Okay,
still do.
she puts olives in her lasagna.
Yes.
She puts adobo and sazon in her lasagna. I mean, that's when
Actually, I'm learning not to put adobo in everything. I do more garlic powder, onion powder. So
I had to teach her. I'm like, girl, cilantro and olives do not go in lasagna.
I use cilantro.
But
all the time,
actually,
sorry.
now I miss her style sometimes because I make mine very like Italian American. Okay, so we need oil.
No, but you make it very good too. I have to say.
Okay,
So I need to cut this. I need a
take the thing. Yeah.
That's what I was looking for.
Yeah. Okay, so she's cutting up the ham. I'm gonna put some oil in our pot. Ma, how much?
Mind you, Gabby doesn't like pork, but she loves this ham and the rice.
You know what, Evelyn? See? What do you think? Is that good?
A little bit more.
Okay. I would say that's what? Like 3 tablespoons worth?
That looks like 2 tablespoons.
Oh. Okay, we got our oil. All right, it's on the heat. Okay, we're gonna put the ham in the oil.
Most people use sofrito. I like it. I don't feel like I taste
The difference? It's because
the
a lot of people don't
vegetables.
like to chop every time they cook.
Right.
I like chopping. I think it's because I always saw you chopping.
Yeah, I like.
I don't mind chopping real quick.
Yeah,
So-
and a lot of times I have this already chopped in
Yeah,
my
that's
refrigerator,
true.
and then I pull it out.
Yeah.
So it makes it easier. But
Okay, now I'm learning.
yeah, and
Okay.
this doesn't have to be perfect. None of it. Whatever size you want.
I need a pan like this.
Yeah, my mother bought me that a few years ago. Every time she sees that it gets old, she buys me a new one. It's like a tradition.
Aww.
Yeah. So I'm gonna keep some of this for later once the rice is already done. You know, when it's cooked, then I put it on top of the rice.
Yeah. Okay.
Here, you could.
Okay, let's throw in our cilantro, peppers, and onion. See, I would think that this olla is too small.
No. But it's only 4 of us. And we're gonna have milk sandwich. Fine.
Yeah. How many? I know you're crazy. Here, you do it. I know you like a lot of olives.
This is too high?
I did it higher because it was taking a long
Low.
time to get Excuse
These
me.
are big olives. Okay, that's good.
You can put more if you like. I like a lot too now,
Oh.
so I don't mind it.
Okay, that was like 10, 11 pieces.
We are cooking arroz con gandules because y'all have been asking for more videos of mom cooking. So I was like, you know what? Let's take the opportunity today to make arroz con gandules.
Goya should get me a whole like year's supply of Goya stuff. My God, I think I'm gonna go into their stock.
Okay, so here is, we started with the olives, oil, olives, ham, cilantro, peppers, onions.
So maybe we do need a little bit.
Yeah, I would
more.
say a little bit higher because it needs it.
Okay.
So we can.
Yeah. Oh, I like this spoon.
You see Antonio putting avocado there for the look.
Yeah.
He's such a chef.
That was good. That was,
He's such a chef.
He's a content creator.
Right.
Believe it or not. He's so he knows how to do it already. We're gonna have a nice chunky ham and gandules rice because
Chunky.
yeah, you know, it has enough of everything. It's not gonna be like a lot
Oh, I see what you're saying.
a lot of rice and less of everything else. No.
You say you need water?
We need some water just to start. And one of these. And this is ham flavor if you don't have ham, but since we have ham, I'm gonna taste it first so that, you know, it's not over too salty or so whatever. Because the ham is salty. Which is why I didn't put a lot of adobo. So now we're gonna let that simmer. I like the spoon.
Me too.
So nice. I like how fat it is. Let's put this here, and then we need more water.
And then we need more water.
Let me wash this. Let them do what they got.
Yeah, like let me be cute.
I'm
oh,
the
no,
star.
The light died.
Oh no!
You can't.
Caracol.
But this is not
What were you
dark.
saying, Ma? Just go, do it.
Hold
Okay,
on.
we're gonna throw this in there.
Does that help?
We're
Yeah.
gonna mix it, right? And then add more water, of course, because the water has to cover the rice.
By how much?
Right on top of it, you know, maybe a little bit over. Like right now, the rice needs. Antonio, can you get some water since you're there doing nothing? Yeah, so
Here you go.
we need some water to cover this, and you'll see what I'm saying. Because if not, then your rice comes out hard. Sometimes some grains won't cook, or it just it won't be moist the way we like it. And the more water you put, the more moist. So you gotta be careful with not too much water either, unless you like
I
it
always
mushy.
struggle with a lot of water.
I think we may need just a little bit more, just to be sure. You know, because this is gonna dry up in a minute.
God damn it.
That's it.
I need to get like 3 of these so that I never have to deal
Okay.
with this problem again.
We're done with this.
So now it's just sitting, right?
Yeah,
Like
now we gotta wait till it like boils again a little bit. But first I wanna taste it. I need the little spoon. Let's see.
this. So she did. Taste good?
Hang on. I don't know if it needs anything. You taste it, Antonio.
How would I know?
Taste it.
What? You know, hold on, let me get the spoon.
Oh, I thought you were using the same one. I was like,
No. We don't use the spoon.
excuse me.
It has to be a little saltier.
A little bit more.
Yeah.
A little more salt.
Okay. So, do you have pepper? Black pepper?
Yeah.
Let me have black pepper.
I have white pepper too.
Can I see something?
I need black
Watch
pepper.
me. Watch me.
Salt.
No, not salt. Black pepper. Not too much.
I love how this is like surgery. We're on here watching. And like
Here
learning.
it is.
So you're adding more sazon
See,
and black pepper.
You
What-
did that.
What?
Visually, she did it. Most of the time when you cook rice, if you put your finger on top of the rice with the liquid and then come up to about like your first I don't know what that's
When you
called.
do this, you say?
This section.
Oh, look.
Finger.
It's perfect. Like, it's perfectly right there.
Yeah.
She did that visually, but a lot of times, like, if you don't know how to cook rice, if you put
Yeah, I
that
don't
much
know how to
water,
cook rice.
that helps you.
And it's so disappointing. I'm like a no sabo kid when it comes to rice.
Well, that's because you're not doing it often enough.
Mira,
That's
puedo
all.
hablar un poquito de español, you know?
Sí.
Pero no puedo cocinar arroz. Don't
El
judge me.
problema de la vida.
Don't judge me. I usually only use rice if it's like leftover from something else.
And the other thing I don't do is I don't use the same spoon and put it in my mouth and then put it in here.
I didn't say you did.
But-
I think that's it.
But you can because it's still cooking.
Yeah, you can.
That's true.
Especially if it's for family, please.
Is it better?
God damn, that's good.
Okay.
There you go.
So that's it. Now we're
Dang.
gonna wait.
Oh my God, that tastes really Puerto Rican. Oh,
Whoa!
that should taste like I just came back from Puerto Rico. God damn.
Now we're gonna wait till it dries a little bit. We turn it, and then you cover it.
What did you say?
So now we put in the water and everything. We know that it's good as far as the flavor, the salt, and everything. Now we wait until it dries up a little bit. Then we're gonna
You're gonna do the foil
stir it
thing?
a little bit. The foil is nice.
We have
because-
foil.
Yeah. Okay. So we can put foil on it and then put the top.
Yeah.
And then you wait there like 20 minutes. You wait.
That's how I grew up watching her do it, but I can't do it. So I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna try again. Now that I have this on video, I am going to watch it and recreate it exactly.
And then
as she
you
did
can
it.
take the same steps to do
Uh-huh.
different types of rice. If you want different beans, or if you want if you don't want ham but you want salchichon, or you want to put salchichas in there, you just use the same
Oh, okay.
method
Okay.
except with different ingredients. You know, some people don't like pepper, some people don't like cilantro.
Yeah.
You're not gonna have the exact same flavor,
Yeah.
but you put in the flavors that you like. That's all it is. Yeah. Okay, so now it's dried up. Some of the water's dried up. I stirred it, right, from the bottom up. And now I'm gonna put a nice foil on top, just to, for it to cook faster and more thoroughly. Like Antonio said, it's like what, Antonio?
It's basically like creating a full convection oven with the pot. So it's cooking from all sides.
Right. So, we're gonna be sure we're gonna have a nice moist pot of rice. And now I lowered it a little bit. So it's not medium, it's a little medium to low. And that's it. And now we wait like 20 minutes, stir it again, but we'll be back with that. So,
Moment of
let's
truth.
see, we'll take the aluminum off.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh. Did you come in here already, Gabby? Because it looks like somebody touched it.
I might have tasted it.
All right.
Oh, look at it.
And the olives and the cilantro and peppers. I threw some peppers on top after it was already
You threw
little
some
cooked
peppers on top?
so that they're not disintegrated. They're a little more.
Yeah, I like them like that.
You know? And
Oh, it
so
looks amazing.
that's it. I mean, some people like it more grainy, so you put less water, but I like it a little bit moist.
And if you wanted it a little more yellow and like salty, you could add more sazon.
I would put sazon, because
Yeah.
that's what has color, is the sazon.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
it looks delicious.
it does.
Yay, thank
And
you for
along
teaching
with
me, Mom.
this-
Oh, yeah, some
Lord.
aguacate, ya tú sabes.
Okay.
We're about to eat.
Try it, guys.
Thanks, Mom. Bye.
You're